Do you know that we can actually use an NFC bracelet to be able to link quickly critical information you need to show to people? And you won't lose your time looking in your phone to find what you need. It will be instant. And this is what is powerful with NFC. So you're getting this ad because you have on your phone an NFC tool. And do you know that we can actually use an NFC bracelet? 100% secure, looks really cool. We have many different styles, and it will go with any of the gloves that you want. Whether you have some good gloves, like for example, classic, right? Or maybe relax, like me today. Just come and join us on memsaga.com and look at the different bracelets we have. Pick one for yourself. See you soon.